Hello everyone, I am Faith Godbold from A Touch of Faith. Welcome to my channel. Several of you watched me make this magnolia flower wreath and you wanted to know how I made the petals. In the last video I showed you how to make the magnolia daisy petal. In today's video I show you how to create the Star Trek petal. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so that you receive notifications when we add new tutorials. Okay, let's get started. Let's create a Star Trek petal. So we are going to use a piece of this beautiful lavender poly burlap that's already been cut to a 10-inch square. 10-inch piece of mesh cut to 10 inches, and I'm going to place it on my table curved side facing upward just like so. And because I'm a creature of habit, I am going to turn it so that the finished edge or factory edge is on the upper right and the lower left. Now, I am going to take the bottom tip this time and take it up. And I want to create a crease. So if you've seen me make the daisy petal, this is very similar, except I'm taking the bottom tip up this time. Going to crease it just like so. And then I'm going to take this right corner, once I have my triangle, take it over and match it to the left corner. And every time I do it, I'm creasing it. Now I'm going to rotate everything, and if you start to look at it, it looks like a little battleship, right? I'm going to turn it so that the tip is on my left. I'm going to pull it slightly, just like so. And then all I'm going to do is take the outside edges, this top and bottom, and I'm going to bring them in. To me, it starts to look like a little a hat or a shoe at this point. I don't know if any of you wear the hats during vacation time. The visors, that's what it's looking like to me right here. Okay. All right. So now all I'm going to do, now that I have these two edges together, I'm going to push this down. So I usually insert my finger here, push that down just a bit. And that is all we're going to do. I like to either zip tie it or rubber band it right here a little beyond that fold. So let's see. If I measure from the end, just to give you a measurement, it's about 2.5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. So right here where my fingers are, that's where I'm going to zip tie it. I want to make sure it's not going anywhere. I'm going to pull, 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 just like that. And then you don't need all of that excess. So what we can do, once we trim our zip tie, or if you're using a rubber band, there's nothing to trim. I'm going to cut off right there. So I'm going to trim off about 1 inch. And you can eyeball it. Okay? And that's all you do. So this is our Star Trek petal. And we will come back and create something with this in an upcoming video. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I hope that was super simple for you. Thank you all. See you next time. Stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to create the vein leaf petal. To see more of my wreath tutorials, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To see more of my wreath designs, visit my website at www.atofaith.com. To learn how to make wreaths and so much more, join my private membership group at www.learnfromfaith.com. As always, be blessed. Love you all so much. Bye, everyone.